Nibco PVC Schedule 40 fittings are used in pressure piping systems for cold water applications. This video demonstrates the solvent welding procedure for installing PVC Schedule 40 fittings. Always follow manufacturer instructions and local plumbing codes. To solvent weld Nibco PVC Schedule 40 fittings, you will need a cutting tool, non-synthetic rags, a deburring tool, cement and primer applicators, purple primer, and PVC solvent cement. Prior to solvent welding, remove fittings and pipe from their cartons and allow them to reach the same temperature for at least 1 hour. Cut the plastic pipe square using a wheel cutter or fine-toothed blade and a guide. Remove all burrs, chips, and debris from the inside and outside of the pipe. Bevel the pipe end to ease socketing and reduce the chance of wiping cement from the fitting during assembly. Check the dry fit. Insert pipe with light pressure. Pipe should go no further than 1/3 to 3/4 of the socket depth. Purple primer is required for PVC Schedule 40 pipe and fittings. Apply purple primer to the outside of the pipe, slightly beyond the depth of the fitting socket. Apply primer to the fitting socket surface. Select the correct PVC solvent cement. Light-duty industrial-grade PVC solvent cement is used with Schedule 40 pipe through 6 inches. Apply a full, even layer of PVC solvent cement to the outside of the pipe. Apply a medium coat of cement to the fitting socket, avoiding puddling. Apply a second full coat of cement to the pipe outside diameter. Immediately insert the pipe fully into the fitting socket and rotate 1/4 turn to evenly distribute the cement. Hold the joint together for 10 to 15 seconds to prevent pushout. Before the joint sets, wipe away any excess cement from the outside of the fitting and pipe. Inspect the joint. A proper joint will show a continuous bead around the entire fitting. The PVC Schedule 40 fitting is now properly installed. Do not take shortcuts. Always follow installation instructions completely.